Caddy Mk4 retrofitted with Touran opposite sweep windscreen wipers, as opposed to the parallel sweep that comes as standard on all of the caddies and, well, almost everything these days. So this is how they look. You'll see them park, and then if you do it again, they park at the bottom again. There we go. So that's parked in the second position now, and then we'll flick them again, and they parked in the lower position, or position 1, and set it to rain sensing. I had to move you have to move the rain sensor from the middle, which now isn't covered. Don't know whether you can see that. The middle is symmetrical, so, and it doesn't cover the rain light sensor with the sweep of these ones, so you have to move the rain and light sensor across to the side where it does get swept. I haven't got black VHB yet. As soon as I get black VHB, I think it'll look rather better. It's got the grey at the moment, which would match the normal screen, but unfortunately I've got a black visor going on. So there we go. So that's the auto rain sensing. And if we watch it long enough, it decides it's not raining anymore when it finally clears off the evaporation and the last little bits, and then hopefully it'll decide to park again if it lasts long enough. It's still going. There we go, and it's back parked. Okay.